In this guide, I'll show you how to play Minecraft Mobile with a PS4 controller or third party controller. So, the first thing you want to do is go to settings on your device and you want to look for a Bluetooth option. So, you want to ensure that Bluetooth is toggled on your device. And here's where you'll see your current devices as well as other devices. So, what you want to do is press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button on your PS4 controller until the light on the top starts flashing, indicating it's in pairing mode. So once this happens, what you want to do is have a look at your phone, and you should see under other devices the DualShock 4 wireless controller. So you want to tap on this to add it to your devices, and you may get a pop up where you'll have to press pair, and you'll also notice on the PS4 controller that the light is no longer flashing, indicating it's connected. So go ahead and open up Minecraft at this point, and from the home menu, you want to select play, and then you want to join one of your worlds. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.